website is changing the world. I figured out a way to use AI tools for my online side hustles, and I'm going to show you how to monetize the heck out of it. First, let me show you the AI tool I'm talking about. Content at Scale helps you easily write blog posts, all by simply uploading a few keywords and phrases. Now, let's get into the fun part of how exactly you can take advantage of it and start making money online with it. First, you want to sign up with Amazon Associate. That way you can earn commissions every time someone buys something that you're promoting. You want to copy the links of the products that you want to promote, save them in a doc so you have everything in one place, along with some of the keywords. As you can see, I'm uploading keywords relating to Amazon clothing, and click Create Content now. This 2,000 word blog post was made in seconds. Then you want to add the links that you got from Amazon so people can click on it and purchase through your blog post. Then you want to create a poster like this and post it on Pinterest along with your blog post so people can click on it, read your blog post, and purchase through your affiliate links. By the way, people will be able to find your blog post on Google as well, because this AI tool created to be fully search engine optimized and completely free of plagiarism. Now it's time for you to try out this AI tool yourself and take advantage of it, and let me know your thoughts on Content at Scale in the comments.